Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting review for all the tech-savvy kids out there. We're going to take a close look at the DEERC D20 Mini Drone and all of its amazing features. So, let's dive right in. First off, let me tell you about the outstanding camera feature of this mini drone. With its built-in high-definition camera, you can capture breathtaking aerial photos and videos with just a touch of a button. Imagine all the memories you can capture from a bird's-eye view. But that's not all. The DEERC D20 Mini Drone also comes with voice and gesture control. Yes, you heard it right. Now, you can control this drone simply by using your voice or making gestures. It's like having your own personal flying assistant. The easy-to-use remote control allows you to navigate the drone effortlessly. With its beginner-friendly design, even kids can have a blast piloting this drone without any hassle. And let's talk about design. This drone is compact and lightweight, making it perfect for indoor and outdoor flying. Its durable build ensures that it can withstand any adventure you take it on. But perhaps the most amazing thing about the DEERC D20 Mini Drone is that it's the perfect gift for kids. With its fascinating camera, voice and gesture control, and user-friendly features, this drone will bring endless hours of fun and excitement to your child's life. So, if you're looking for the ultimate drone experience for your kids, look no further than the DEERC D20 Mini Drone. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to give them an unforgettable gift. Thank you all for watching this review. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech reviews like this. Happy flying, and see you in the next video.